send a helper. Allah also guarantees nobody will help you, nobody can help you. Guarantee, promise. So from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So you cannot judge. There is another verse coming from the Surah Al-Baqarah, ayah number 9. It says, they think, they deceive Allah, those who believe, but they deceive not accept themselves. Actually, they are deceiving themselves rather than Allah. They think, okay, I am deceiving Allah. So there is a lot of warning. As I said, 300 plus verses are related to Muafiq characters. So we have to be aware of it. Nowadays it's very easy. You have a smartphone, go through it and see the verses what Allah says, and then see the explanation if you need it. And so there is a hadith from Prophet Muhammad sallallahu. He says that the sign of hypocrites are three. Our Prophet said the sign of hypocrites are three signs you will find. Number one, when they speak, they lie. So lying is a very common trait. When he makes a promise, he breaks. So whenever he is making promise, I already mentioned from Quran, then our Prophet also echoes the same thing, and then he breaks. And when he entrusted, he betrays. You will give a clear commitment, and but later you say that he didn't show up or something like that. So you cannot trust on that. So modern example, so the lying is a very common. Sometimes some people are trying to, trying to defend some kind of lying. There is a proposition of when can you lie. So I'm not going that direction today, but the very common thing happening in the modern world, why we are lying? For the sake of gaining something. For example, you want promotion, you want to be good in the eyes of your boss, or your family, your friends, or your colleagues. So, and often what you don't you didn't do anything, or which is exaggerated, or like, okay, this is a lie. Completely the main point is you are lying to get some gain, whether it's a financial, whether it's a reputational, or whether it's whatever it is. Breaking promise, and people make promises to win trust, but never fulfill that. So the same thing coming again and again. So, and two-faced behavior. For example, this is one of the common characters of the Munafiqun. They say something to you, they go somewhere else, they say something to another guy. What you didn't say, they added you as like in the art of the saying,